Understand the kids these days and why we live this way. We got to clean up the mess you made. Still, you don't wanna change. We'll create the law but can't control our thoughts. I know we won't be, but we don't just protest for the fun. We're here to get it done.
Oh my God! You're not him! You're the evil twin!